We're going to use KICK-KR6 LED and a KR6 dimmer to make this sconce. First we need a sconce. I'm going to use this wooden cheese box. I like the size and the holes. A coat of paint makes it a whole new thing. We'll drill a 3/8" hole for the KR6. Next we'll drill a 1/8" hole for the quick connect. Feed the quick connect through the 1/8" hole. Connect the pigtail to the dimmer input. The white striped wire is positive and goes to plus on input. Turn clockwise to tighten. Connect the kick flex to the dimmer output. Red wire to plus on output. Grip the potentiometer tightly and pull the knob straight off. Now we can slip the KR6 through the 3/8" hole. Position the flex with glue or the mounting clips. Let's test it. Works well.